Hello there, it's me Ilham, and welcome back to the second episode of All Things Sway. Before I get to the video, thank you all so much for 100 subscribers. It really means a lot. Couldn't have time without you guys. I appreciate it a lot. Anyway, back to the videos. I'm s- I'm just so happy to hit 100 within less than 3 months. It's just something I can't explain in words. Anyway, the second episode of Sway is going to be about configuring it to make it daily drivable, meaning adding hotkeys for brightness control, audio, a screenshot utility as well. The packages I'll be installing are, let me open up a terminal so I can just write it down. Okay, round one, nope, not that one, nope. Let me just open that again. Let me just open a terminal. Yikes. Alright, cool. So sudo pacman-s, use a respectable package manager. For me it's pacman. So as I was saying, the packages I'll be installing are brightnessctl, which is the screen backlight brightness manager, Grim, a screenshot utility for Wayland. I won't be installing any pulseaudio stuff as I have installed them in the previous video. A file manager, thunar, and a lightweight image viewer, Fe. Also, if you haven't already, be sure to join my Discord server. I'll leave a link to it in the description down below. Plus, it should also be on the screen at the moment. Let me enter. And this shouldn't take that long to install. And I'll also be able to leave a link of Graham's slurps. Wait, oh yeah, I also forgot to install slurp, which we need for what do you call it? How do I see this? You know those screenshots where you're able to snip, yeah, snip screenshots. Yeah, you need it. Anyway, I'll be sure to leave a link of Grimm's, Slurps, and Brightness Control's GitHub repositories in the description down below so that you guys can build the packages from source if the packages are not in your distro's repositories. And the packages have finished installing. Now, let's open our Sway config file using, let me just quickly install NeoVim. Just feel comfortable using NVim. Sorry, you guys don't have to, I just feel a lot more comfortable. Oh, you know what, this is gonna take some time. Vim, config, and then Sway, and then config. And now let's scroll down a bit. We don't even have to scroll down, let me just write it from here. And write hashtag, well, a comment, and then volume and brightness. And also this tutorial is going to work with just creating any sort of hotkeys in Sway. So yeah, so bind sim, and then our key xf86 audio, raise, volume, and then exec amxer set master 5% plus. The same thing again, bind sim xf86 audio, lower volume, exec amxer set master 5% minus. Now for a toggle for muting and unmuting our audio, xf86 audio mute, exec amxer set master toggle. And now for our brightness stuff, bind sim, and then xf86 mon brightness up is going to be exec brightnessctl s 350 plus, and then bind sim xf86 mon brightness down exec brightnessctl as 350 minus. And then for screenshot, you're going to be using, that's the screenshot, bind sim, and then $sign mod plus alt plus s. Sorry, exec grim. And for snipping, it's gonna be bind sim $mod plus shift plus s. It's gonna be exec grim dash g, and then a quotation, and then dollar parentheses slurp. Now let's save and exit and then reload sway using mod shift C, and note the mod key is the super key. If all goes well, we shouldn't get any errors, and yep, we didn't get any errors. Our wallpaper is just fine. And also, just one thing to know, to close the terminal, if you don't know already, to close the terminal, it's super shift Q. It's fairly easy. It's really easy. Now, let's test out and see if it actually works for us or not. So, let's take a screenshot using alt S, and then if you write ls, yep. Also, I forgot to tell you, Grim by default either saves in the pictures directory or in your home directory. Just a thing to note. So let's open thunar. Super D should open Wofi, thunar file manager. And let's open, oh my god. As you can see, it has taken a screenshot successfully. Now let's try to take like a cropped screenshot. So the key binding for that was super shift S. And as you can see, the cursor changed, the screen turned white. And now let's just take an area screenshot. And as you can see, that's saved right there. Neat. Alrighty, now let me switch to my phone so that I can show you guys around, brightness control. So 3, 2. Alright, I'm on my phone, and just to show you, this is the mon brightness down key, and this is the up. So hopefully this should work. Let's try it out. And as you can see, it works perfectly. Nice. Let me now switch back to my laptop. And I'm back on my laptop, and just to make sure, yep, okay. So, I'm back on my laptop, and now, as I showed you before, screenshot works perfectly, and brightness control works perfectly. So yeah, it's really easy to configure brightness control and screenshot as well as audio. I couldn't show you audio as I don't have, okay, if I could just get rid of this, as I don't have waybar set up, but spoilers, waybar is going to be, configuring waybar is going to be the next video. Actually no, next video is going to be GTK, and then it's going to be waybar. But on waybar, you guys are going to be able to see that I can actually use the volume controls. And that should conclude for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to never miss an upload, and side by side, helping me out grow in the Unix tubing community. Anyways, stay safe, stay well, and peace.